Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, we will understand what is cloud. What is cloud? For this, to understand but better, let's assume you have office. What are the minimum resources you require at high level? Let's say you need laptops or desktops, plus you need network routers and cables, plus you need servers. These resources we call infrastructure of the company. Infra of the company, meaning this infrastructure belongs to the company. We call them as on-premises resources. On-premises resources. Coming to the cloud. Coming to the cloud. Cloud is nothing but you get the services. You get the services over the internet. Over the internet. The services include storage, compute, analytics, and networking. Here in the cloud, you own nothing. Cloud provide services and you use those services as rental rental services. So under storage, for example, laptops comes under storage as virtual machines. So what are the advantages of cloud? The major advantage is scalability. What does it mean? Meaning these things are not fixed. Based on the demand, we can increase the resources. Increase the resources. For example, let's consider Flipkart Big Billion Days, which happens every year. Let's say it is happening for 5 days. Normally, if the traffic of the website is 10K users, during these days, the traffic may increase, let's say 100K users. The existing servers may not support the load of 100K users traffic. It may lead to the servers crash. So let's architect team or design team decided to increase the 10 servers to handle that load. But once the big billion campaign is over, the traffic to the website becomes normal. In that case, the extra servers procured may not useful and it is extra cost for the company, which is high cost. So this issue, the on-demand use of the servers as addressed in cloud with the scalability. Again, scalability is two types. One is horizontal and another is vertical scalability. What is horizontal scalability? We add the systems horizontally in order to increase the storage. This is scale out, this is scale in. So the automatic inclusion of more systems when the demand increases and reducing the servers or the systems when the demand is normal. This is scale in, scale out. Similarly, the computing power also can be increased in the scalability, that is vertical integration of systems. Here, CPU power increases. This is called scale up and scale down. So this is one very good advantage of this cloud. Based on the demand, the computation and storage power will automatically increase. Another advantage is about geo distribution. Geo distribution. It is nothing but distribution of servers, remote servers throughout globe. It helps to reduce the network latency. Network latency is nothing but within how much time the user can access the application or the resources is called network latency. In case if the server is present in India and the application installed, the website is installed in the Indian servers. So the American, for example, let's say if the American user wants to access the website, the amount of time takes for the American users may be more than the amount of time the Indian user can access it. This is called network latency. So because of geo distribution, the network latency issue is resolved because we have servers in the data centers spread across the globe. So if my target audience is US people, I can install my application in the US servers so that my application will work without network latency. So these are very good advantages of cloud, and we have some other advantages as well. Agility. Agility is nothing but easy setup, easy and fast setup of resources. And we have different types of clouds. There are three types of clouds. One is private cloud, and second is public cloud. Third is hybrid cloud. Private cloud is nothing but if the company has their own data centers and servers, has own data centers and servers, then that cloud is called private cloud. Public cloud is nothing but AWS, GCP, and Azure. So public cloud, these are service providers. So public cloud is less cheaper than the private cloud. Hybrid cloud is mix of both private and public cloud. And coming to the services offered by the cloud, we have different services from the cloud. Those are IaaS, infra as a service. For example, virtual machine in the cloud. So you take the machine and whatever OS applications you want to install, you can install it. So this is called infra as a services, IaaS. Coming to the next services is PaaS, platform as a service. For example, in Azure Data Factory. This is service. This is platform as a service. It gives to you ready. You just use for your requirements. That is as platform as a service. And finally, SaaS, software as a service. So in this entire service as a software, for example, Google Meet. So this software will be given to you. You don't worry about where the data stores or which system or which code has been behind it. It's none of your business. So the application will be given to you. You use it for a requirement. That's it. So these are some of the services provided by the cloud. At nutshell, this is what cloud it is. I hope you understand better what cloud it is. Thank you. We will meet in another video. Thank you very much.